Hey guys, I'm Dr. Emil Tompkins and I have a question for you. Do you really need chiropractic wellness care? You might think that you don't need chiropractic care for maintenance or wellness, that it's just for pain relief. And I get it. Chiropractic is great for helping people to relieve pain, and who wants to have to go to a chiropractor or anywhere all the time? Well, there's a big problem with that thinking, and to illustrate that, let's think about your car for a moment, because I believe that so many of us take better care of our cars than our bodies. Now let's think about it. You drive safely, you get your car looked at when it makes crazy sounds, you get your oil changed regularly, and you never put less than 87 octane gas in your vehicle. Now, I imagine if we didn't make sure that our body's functioning well, living in a way that was safe, that helped our body to function and feel normal, and we don't always do that. Do we put high quality fuel in our gas tanks? If I think about it, even some of the things that I've put in my tank, things that I chose to eat this year, just might be equivalent to putting sand in the gas tank of my vehicle. And living like this, if we live our lives like this, then it's only going to lead to a decline in how we feel and a decline in our health in general. So it's time to treat our body so much better than we treat our cars. It's time to live in a way that's going to help you see more than pain relief, but imagine actually feeling better and better each day. Imagine performing much better than you ever imagined you could. That's what Wellness Chiropractic can do for you. And here at Tompkins Family Chiropractic, our R3 method gives you just that. The Renew portion of the program is designed specifically to optimize your performance. So not only are those aches and pains going to go away, but you'll feel better. You'll increase your energy. You'll improve sleep. You'll lose weight through our chiropractic and nutritional recommendations. Wellness chiropractic care, I know I wouldn't want to live without it. It's now time for you to achieve better health today with chiropractic. I'm Dr. Emil Tompkins, and we'll see you soon.